Hi guys, I'm here with the Smart Oven Air Fryer from Breville. Right now it's preheating because today I'm making some Greek seasoned pork chops. I'm using the air fryer function that you see over here. I just put it to preheat for 3 minutes, but it seems to be ready, so we'll toss that in right now. It's really simple. I'm using the air frying basket and then all this tinfoil extra stuff, like that, because I don't want to mess. I'm too lazy to clean it, so that's why I'm using 3 different trays to still let the air come through, but the tinfoil is gonna hold the mess together. So I'm gonna reset it now to 20 minutes because that's what we need. So the bottom dial, as you can see, is changing the time, and we're gonna set it for 20 minutes, and it's good to go. Alright, so I guess I'll see you guys in about 15 minutes to tell you how everything's going. Alright, I'm back a little bit early, so I noticed that I made a little mistake. I didn't know that the Breville itself decides when it finishes preheating, so now my pork chops are kind of just in there, slowly cooking until the oven preheats itself to 425. Yeah, so this thing's a lot smarter than I thought. And let me just turn the light on for you guys. Yeah, so you see they're in there. But yeah, kind of disappointed in that. I mean, it's a great feature. I'm just kind of disappointed that I didn't think that through very well. I forgot to tell you guys about the super convection feature that this oven has. That's basically the whole marketing idea behind it. This button over here decides if you want regular convection, no convection, or super convection. So as you see here, I chose super convection, which means as much air as possible is traveling through. So yeah, that's basically the rundown of like the whole idea behind this. This dial chooses time, this dial chooses temperature, this chooses the function between the 11 options that we have. This chooses Celsius or Fahrenheit, this chooses the light, and then frozen, not frozen, and then the convection. That's basically it. So hopefully it will preheat itself pretty quickly, and I'll be back once it actually starts cooking. Alright, so the preheat finished about a minute ago. As you can see, the temperature isn't flashing anymore, and now it's the double dot, and the minutes are starting to go down. I'm really excited to actually get this done because this is the first thing. I literally unboxed it an hour ago. This is the first thing I'm making in it, so I'm kind of learning at the same pace you guys are. You're seeing my live confusion, and yeah. So I guess I'll check back with you guys in about 15 minutes. I'll give you a quick update on how everything's going, and then we'll continue from there. Alright, so just about 8 minutes left, and the result is already super visible. I have a pretty bad camera, so it's probably hard to see, but you can start seeing those brown spots, and it looks amazing. Maybe I can open it for you guys. Yeah, so you can see that looks awesome. One thing I wanted to mention is, if you've seen my other videos, I also have an air fryer from Tefal, and this is, I would say, quieter, considering that it's also convecting air, just like an air fryer would, but this does it a little bit quieter. And I mean, noise shouldn't be a big concern, but I mean, if it's quieter, I would consider that better. So we'll see how this goes. 7 minutes left, and I'll check in about 4. Alright guys, just about a minute and a half left, and honestly, I think I'm going to end it here. It looks marvelous, and it looks ready as well. So we can just click cancel, and now it's all done. Look at that. That looks awesome. Let me just take it out, and we'll continue from there. Alright, and here's the result we've all been waiting for. So I just cut it up so you can see it's done pretty well. and I really like the crisp that it's gotten from it. So the pork chop to the left is a lot more juicier to the one on the right. So like personally, I would prefer this one over here, but it's different for everyone. But it looks like it turned out pretty great. I'm really excited to eat this. So yeah, that's about it, guys. We were here with the Breville Smart Oven. If you guys have any questions, I tend to always answer my comments, so leave one below, leave a like, and maybe even tell me what you want to see in the future, because I could definitely make that happen. But with that said, I'm out. I'm gonna go eat this great food, and I'll see you guys in the next video.